We're going to take a look now at how we can do some more advanced stuff with the command line. Specifically, we can send command line arguments to an existing program and see how that works. We're going to use a couple different projects to make that happen. So we'll go ahead and we'll take a look at them really fast. We're going to first start off with our simple demo project. So I'm going to go ahead and I just need to change the directory of where that is. So just use the cd command to switch directories. So we have our simple demo right here, and we're going to run this project, and we're going to run it using a command line argument. So do a command line argument, you just have to separate things by spaces when you run it. So if I just do Java space and then simple demo, and then I write the words, this is a test of parameters, and press enter. And here is a simple Java demo. User specified 6 parameters. This is a test of parameters. So as you can see, I am able to extract the information from that and use it. So we can actually grab the information from the command line and send it to it. Now this is just really quick and easy. As you can see, I just iterated over those parameters and printed them out to the console. Not really amazing, but we can do really cool stuff, because when we just access the parameters, what we do is everything after the command Java and the name of the program, right? So this all right here, this is what becomes the square bracket args inside your main. This is how you use that. Is all you have to do is just separate things by spaces. So you can specify all sorts of information, including paths to directories, files, information, etc. And you can do some really cool stuff. So let's go ahead and take a quick little demo for that. And so we're going to move to a different directory, because I have a little more advanced version for this. And we're going to go ahead and cd space dot dot, and cd dot dot, go back up here, and cd. We're in my directory right now, and we're going to change to the complex problem that we were working with earlier. So just cd and then complex. And we want to go to the bin directory. And then we're going to use the same approach we did earlier, where we use that multi package system. So let's just make sure that we've got my class path set. So we'll echo, and then the $ class path. Oh, it's not there, so I have to go ahead and I have to re-add my class path to this. I'm going to re-add my class path with this, so I'm just going to put the directory right here to that bin folder and export it, and so we'll go back and check to make sure the class path is updated. Fantastic. And now we're going to run the command that we did earlier, but instead of sending it 0 parameters, we're going to send it some names and see what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and Java space, and then -cp, and then dot, because remember we're using that package structure. We want to make sure we tell it that the class path is where we're at right now. And then the fully specified name. So I have demo.controller.runner, because I have to specify where it's running from that. So I can have that run right there. And then I'm going to specify some teacher names. So we'll start off with mine, because I can. And then we will specify Rob Schultz and Ria Galanos and Jill Hunter can't do Jill Hunter Watterson because it's splitting the parameters based on spaces. Fix that. Okay. Rob Schultz, Ria Galanos, and we'll do Judy Romchik, Robert Medrano, Tim Burton, and Jane Doe. And we have right here, yes, Cody Hendricks is an APCS teacher. Yes, Rob Schultz is an APCS teacher. Yes, Judy Romchik is an APCS teacher. Yes, Robert Medrano is an APCS teacher. Sorry, not an APCS teacher for Tim Burton or Jane Doe. And then exit the program right there. So as you can see right here, I can take information from my parameters. And so I grabbed the parameter information from each of these things, and I was able to send that into this. So I could grab that information and have it so it's all executing information. I can send that information into a project, execute stuff, look through it, bring it back out, and do some cool interactions with it. And so again, you can do some great stuff with the command line. You can send information to it and work with it and do some fun stuff with that. So that's a quick little demo of how you can use the command line using parameters to send through that. Again, make sure that when you do it, all you have to do is do Java space, and then you do the, probably the fully qualified classroom if you're doing a more complex project, Or if it's a simple project right here, you just simply have to specify it after the actual the name of the file you're running, and you can run it from there. But that's how you can do some really cool stuff. Take a look at the video for more details, and check with your teachers how you can do some cool stuff with this. Thanks again, and have a good day. Bye.